Hey, welcome to Critical Hit Pest Management. This is episode number 7. My name is Dallas Whitt, and today we're going to be talking about the best pesticides to use in 2026. The best. So I'm going to break this video down in several ways. We're going to talk about the 3 major categories, the ones that we get the most calls for in the pest industry. That would be ants, roaches, and spiders. Those dominate about 50% of the phone calls that we receive in an annual year. Okay, so I want to talk about those and those specific categories and why I use these products for each one of those categories. So let's get started. We're going to start with ants, number 1. I love this product. This is called Maxforce Quantum Ant Gel bait. It's a great product to utilize if you're trying to bait for odorous house ants, pharaoh ants, rover ants, any kind of ant species that invades your home on the inside and on the outside. But it's a fantastic product to utilize. It's really, really cool in the fact that the product itself is hydroscopic, meaning it pulls in water from the air and it allows it to stay palatable to the ants. It also allows it to stay malleable to the ants. Okay, so it keeps a more gel consistency and they are able to consume it easier and get it back to the colony and start knocking them out. Okay, so if you're looking for a great ant gel bait, don't get that other crap that you see at the market. Don't get that other crap that you see at Lowe's or Home Depot or Walmart. Go see if you can get yourself some of this. Maxforce Quantum Ant Gel bait, made by a company called InView, formerly known as Bayer. Yes, and that's Bayer, the aspirin company. They were huge in the pest control and agricultural scene for many, many years. I find that funny. But what product do we utilize as a liquid spray to place around the home or place inside of the home for ants? Well, I got a great one for you today, and this is going to be coming up several times in this video. This product is called Alpine WSG. Okay? Fantastic product. WSG stands for water soluble granules. This is 40% active ingredient, and the active ingredient is Dinotefuran. It is a non-repellent product, and that is key when you're dealing with your ants. You want products that are non-repellent because ants are going to walk through it. They're going to pick that product up. They're going to groom themselves through a process called trophallaxis. They're going to spread that product throughout the colony. Okay, they're going to give that to the queen. They're going to give that to the larvae, the brood. They're going to give that to the workers. They're going to spread it out when they groom one another, the trophallaxis process, and it's going to knock them out. So Alpine WSG is a fantastic product made by a company called BASF, and we're going to see that company a couple times. And just as a disclaimer, I'm not sponsored by any of these companies, not at all. They don't sponsor me. They don't pay me to do any of this. I have just used these products over the past 20 years, and I believe in them, and these are what I have in my arsenal at all times. I never go to a home. I never go to a business without these products, okay? So let's add the next one, which is another cool product, and we're going to see this multiple times. This one's called Redesco WG, okay? And this one, again, is made by BASF, as you can see a common theme there. Active ingredient in this one is Dinotefuran again, same active ingredient as Alpine WSG, but this one also has a secondary ingredient of cypermethrin, which some of you may know as like Demon WP if you've used that before in the past. But cypermethrin is also in this, okay? Dinotefuran is 20% active ingredient in this, and the cypermethrin is 10%. So what is the difference between these two products? Well, one of them is more of the traditional non-repellent, and this is kind of a hybrid non-repellent repellent. Okay, cypermethrin is more of a repellent type product. Dinotefuran is a non-repellent product. So you would have more repellency to ants with this product versus this product. Okay, I would use Redesco on the outside of your home. I would use Alpine WSG on the inside of the home. You can use them both, but as far as repellent, non-repellent, I always like to put repellents on the outside and put non-repellents on the inside, okay? So those are the 3 products that I would utilize for ants. They're great products. You're going to get great results with them, all right? So let's go on to roaches. We're going to specifically talk about the German roach because that's the one that gets the calls. Okay, that's the one that people are calling, picking up the phone, saying, "Hey, I need you out here today to get rid of my roach issue. We've had them for a while. They're blowing up. They're everywhere. I see them at night. I got to get rid of them." All right, that's the German roach. Okay, so again, what products are we using? Well, boom, here it is again. Alpine WSG. Okay, Alpine WSG. We're going to use this product because it's a non-repellent. The roaches will interact with the product. They will take it back to each other when they interact with one another, and they cross over one another, and they groom each other, and they chew on each other. They'll pick that product up. But the second product that we mix up with Alpine WSG, and this is the big kicker, is Gentrol. Okay. Now this one's Gentrol Complete EC3. It's a dual active. It's lambda cyhalothrin and Hydroprene that is in here. Okay. And Hydroprene is the IGR additive, the insect growth regulator additive. Okay. That's what changes the roaches from being able to produce to not being able to reproduce. It's an insect growth regulator. And to get into the science of it, it's actually a chitin inhibitor. Chitin is the makeup of the exoskeleton of a cockroach and a lot of the insects that we see. Chitin is also one of the building blocks to your fingernails and hair, okay? So Hydroprene blocks the chitin. It does not allow them to molt and move into the next stages of life, because roaches, they do molt. They shed their exoskeleton, and as they grow through the stages of life. So that Hydroprene stops them from being able to do that, and it basically sterilizes them. And I have a video, I'm going to clip that in here, of what one looks like when it's disfigured, so you can understand the difference. But in conjunction together, Alpine WSG and Gentrol, either basic Gentrol, because there is just a Gentrol, regular Gentrol with Hydroprene alone, or Gentrol Complete EC3. You mix those two together, you add them together, and you go out there and apply it. Okay, these are easily mixed into a sprayer, a 1 gallon spray, compressed sprayer that you're able to apply. Again, read the label, follow the label directions. Label is the law. I'm not going to get into how you mix it and all that. It's all in the label. You should read the label before you do that, okay? But those two products mixed together, it's going to significantly drop your roach population. They will last about 90 days inside of the home, and about 6 to 8 weeks, you will start seeing significant decrease in your roach population. The other way you could go about it is, again, you could use Redesco WG and Gentrol, or Gentrol EC3, and you can put them together and get a little bit more aggressive results. Again, cypermethrin, the active ingredient in Redesco, being that it is a repellent, it is going to have a quicker kill to it. Cypermethrin is going to be a little bit more aggressive to kill the roaches, as Alpine WSG or Dinotefuran is going to be a little slower acting. But you kind of get the best of the best with Redesco. I use it a bit. I use it quite a bit for roaches. And what I do an initial service with either Redesco or Alpine, either one. And then on the next service, I change it up. I use the other product instead of the first one, okay? You constantly want to be rotating products when you're trying to get rid of your German roach issue. They become resistant to pesticides about every 2 to 3 generations, which could be about 90 days. So you do want to change the products to knock them out, all right? So that's German roaches. These products, Alpine WSG, Redesco, they also make great exterior products to apply around the house to help keep array your American roaches, your wood roach, your oriental roach, your Suriname roach, your smoky brown roach. Those are the ones that are more primarily on the outside. German roaches are the ones that are pretty much the ones that are infested on the inside of the house and that cause that issue, okay? So let's talk about a bonus product here. And we're going to talk about spiders next. Spiders being one of the main calls that we get. A lot of people, hey, I don't like spiders. I don't want to see them. Well, I got a great product here for you. It's called Transport Mikron, okay? Transport Mikron. And again, this is a dual active ingredient. It's a acetamiprid and bifenthrin. Acetamiprid at 5% and bifenthrin at 6%. So it's 11% total. It's a good product to apply as a barrier application, crack and crevice application inside the home, on the outside of the house, and it's going to help keep a lot of things away: ants, roaches, spiders, scorpions. It's a good maintenance pesticide to utilize. But the cool thing about this product and the way they designed it and why they designed it is because let's say you have nice dark hardwood floors. Okay, you got your nice dark hardwood floors in your beautiful multi-million-dollar home, right? Um, it will not stain. It's a non-staining pesticide. It doesn't leave a residue. Okay, and that's key. It's not going to leave anything kind of grayish or whitish on the black surfaces. So it's a great product for use on darker surfaces, and it gets you a great residual to last up to 90 days to help knock out your pest. So this is what I use on my maintenance services on the interior of homes when I'm doing just a general pest control. There's no real main concerns, but I'm there to do the monthly maintenance service. This is a great product that I utilize. I highly suggest this product, and the fact that it's dual active as well, it just further further proves the point of why I use it. It's just a great product. Dual actives, any kind of pesticides that you can get that are dual actives, are usually really really good. So let's talk about some bonus things now. We're going to talk about general pests, and general pests would be any other category that's out there. Ants, ants, roaches, spiders, scorpions, mole crickets, flies. Those are all general pests. But I really wanted to highlight on the ants, roaches, and spiders. But let's talk about general pests. So I'm going to throw flies in this one for you. And this one's a little bit of a bonus. If you have flies in your house and you have major issues with flies, I'm going to recommend this product to you. I've been using it for a while. It's a trade secret, but it's called Alpine Pressurized Fly Bait, or PT Alpine. I call it Alpine Fly Spot Bait. And guess what? The active ingredient in this it's Dinotefuran. Go figure, right? But this one's 1%. Okay, so it's got a spray tip applicator. It's RTU. It's ready to use. You don't mix this up with anything. You just apply it. You spray it. Um, you want to put this around windowsills where flies are congregating because they're attracted to the light. So you'd apply this as a spray across, a light spray, a light film across your windowsills, and it will help knock out flies. When the fly lands on it, they will consume the bait, and they will die within 60 seconds. And you'll start hearing them go zzz like this, and they fall down, and they die. Fantastic product. And finally, what product do we like to use on the outside of homes? Well, this is the product that I've been using for years. I like it quite a bit. I use it on the exterior homes for my general pest services. But it is Cyper TC. Okay, Cyper TC. It's a great product to utilize on the outside of the home. Active ingredient is cypermethrin. It is at a 25% mixture active ingredient percentage. So pretty strong. It doesn't take a lot. It does not take a lot to mix in with water. But it has a great residual. I find it highly effective against spiders. I find it highly effective against scorpions. I find it highly effective against ants, fire ants. You can trench a mound with it for fire ants. It's highly effective against a lot of things. So it makes a really good, just basic exterior application around the home. And when I say basic exterior application, I'm talking about 3 feet up on the side of the home, from the soil up the side of the home, 3 feet up, and then from where the home and the soil meet, 3 feet out. So it's 3 up by 3 out, 3 feet up, 3 feet out, and you make that barrier all the way around the home. Okay, and that is going to help keep your pest at bay, keep them away from the home. This is a repellent. It's a repellent product, so it's going to push. It's going to kill what's there, and it's also going to help repel and push things away. So it's a great barrier application to put on the exterior of your home. Okay, that's it. That's pretty much the products that I utilize. I would say I use these products every day, every single day, for a bevy of issues. If you go and read the label on these things, you're going to see hundreds of pests that are listed on them. And so they're not just used for the certain situations that I talked about, ants and roaches or spiders, but there's a bevy of pests on there that you could use it for, which makes these products invaluable in that sense. And I thank the manufacturers for coming up with products that are easy to use, safe to handle. They don't have any odors. That's the other beautiful thing about these. The only one that would have a slight odor would be the Cyper TC. But you're going to be using that on the outside anyway. Don't use that inside. That's an outside product only. But the other products, very low odors, if any at all. Maybe the Gentrol EC3 would have a little bit of an odor. But the other ones, the Alpine WSG, the Redesco, the bait, the Alpine fly spot bait, they don't have any odors. And so you can go into a home, service a full home, and like I tell my customers, they ask, well, how long do we have to be out? Like, I said, oh, you probably won't even know I was here. And they're like, what do you mean? I said, well, I'm going to get through the full service for you, and you're not going to notice that anything has changed on the home. You're not going to know that I was even here. So like, okay, cool. So these are some of the products that I like to use. These are the best products that for 2026 that I think, but also in 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. For years, I've used these products. They give me the best results possible. The only thing that's different between me and you as a general consumer is that I know where they should go. I have the practice and the ability to put them in places that you may not think of. I've done this for a long time, so there's things that I'm looking for that you may not look for. And I could probably use some lesser grade products and maybe get better results than most of the general consumers due to the fact that they're not looking for certain things. That's why we hire pest professionals, because they're able to look for certain things. So I'm all for the DIYers. Go out there and kick it, do your thing. Good luck to you. I wish you the best. I hope you guys do well and figure out your issues. But if you have anything that's beyond your scope of ability, make sure you reach out to a pest control company. Make sure you reach out to a local pest control company. Make sure you reach out to a company that's locally owned in your area that has great reviews, because they're going to help you out, and they're going to help you out a hell of a lot better than what those big box pest control companies are going to be able to do. The big box companies are just there to run you in like cattle. It's all a numbers game to them. But some of these smaller companies, medium-sized companies that are in your local area that are family-owned and operated, they're the ones that are going to take care of you, and they're the ones that are going to always show up at your door when you need them and not give you any excuses to why. Okay, so I highly recommend that. Again, appreciate the video. If you wanted to learn about bed bugs and what I use for bed bugs, I'm going to attach that video here for you to look at. Watch that video, because it's a full service breakdown on how I do a full service on bed bugs, the products that I use for bed bugs and why. If you're having any kind of bed bug issue, that's the video you want to watch. You can find some of these products to go handle it yourself, and it will help you out. So again, appreciate the views. Don't forget to follow, like, subscribe, and leave any comments down below, and we'll catch you on the next episode. Take care.